Man, I need a case for my S9 Plus. Dun, 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 dun. UAG to the rescue. Let's go. Okay, YouTube, let's get to it. As you can see, got this UAG case here. It's the Pathfinder, and shout out to UAG. I really like their envelopes. This is really quality and tasteful right here. Love a nice, this is not even really the real packaging. Where another company, you might get some UPS priority packaging. They got these Urban Armor Gear envelopes. I really think it's a nice touch. But let's go ahead and get it open. I hope I don't cut my fingers or cut the case. Knife seems kind of dull. I don't know. But here we go. This is the Pathfinder. And this was actually my favorite case on my iPhone 7 Plus. Really dope case here. Really dope case. You know, they make hits over at UAG. When it comes to cases for these cellular devices, they make hits. So, it's the Pathfinder. Let's just go over the packaging. Y'all know my history with UAG. Y'all know how I rock with them, and I really think that case is a dope personally. And even if this wasn't sent out for review, I would have still dropped these ducats because I like having cases in different colors, all that. So just because I got a lot of UAG cases and they're not all review cases, I spend my money on this. I really believe in this. That's why you hear the excitement when I'm reviewing one of these cases, because I really rock with this company for real. As you can see, the typical UAG packaging, nice clear packaging. Case is on display. It's drop tested and is approved by military standard. There you go. Those are the numbers on that. You can check that out for yourself because I can't explain it. This is 2-layer protection. This is the Pathfinder. So we've done the plasma for the S9 Plus. We've done the Monarch for the S9 Plus. Now we're doing the Pathfinder. And probably eventually we'll do the Plio. But definitely a nice case and some nice packaging. As you can see, more UAG branding. And on the back, I mean, this is getting so run-of-the-mill because I done did these cases on so many devices. And y'all know, if you follow my channel, you already know how dope I think this is. These are like some of the best looking, best protective cases that, you know, that I feature on the channel. It's impact resistant, feather light, easy access, anti-scratch, screen surround, glare-free flash. It's got impact. It's 2 layers. It's got at the top, if you see the impact resistant rubber, and then it's got the armor shell. So yeah, this is a really protective 2-layer case if you want some real protection, but at the same time you want something that look hot like that. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and get it up out of this packaging. Pull out like so, boom, boom, and the tray slides out. As you can see, look at this. Look at this black polycarbonate beauty with this brushed aluminum look with the UAG branding against this matte black look with these rivets in the case. Looking very dope. Very dope. This is a very high case. Like I said, I really rock with these cases. This is the Pathfinder. This is $39.99. First case we did was the Monarch. That was in black. That had the real metal rivets. That's $59.99. That's the top one, most expensive. You know what I'm saying? But this is this can be had for $39.99, and it's definitely worth it. I mean, look at it. Nice matte black finish. Especially, it's about to go so sick on my black S9 Plus. Let me take it up out of here. Let's just take a look at the case. Okay, you got nice cutouts. As you can see, little slide board over to get your heart rate, slide board down right into the fingerprint scanner. Got makeshift rivets. You got that UAG with that brushed aluminum look. You got nice big cutouts so you can fit you know, all your adapters and your aux cables up in there. Nice cutout for your speaker, so that surround what is that, surround sound that we got now on S9 Plus is bumping. Cutout for your noise canceling mic. All the cutouts you would need or want. And I like I said in the previous video, I like these buttons. I like how they give you the rivet on the power button. The rivets, I mean, the grooves. Feels really good. Reminds me of the HTC 10 power button. I always think it's a nice touch to put plus or minus on the volume rocker. And I'm sorry, I'm talking about, this is not the power button, but the Bixby button gets a nice treatment. But everybody don't rock with Bixby like that. But this is the power button, and it's the same fashion as the Bixby button. Nice rigid. And you got some ridges on the side for a grip. And grip is a big part of drop protection. You know why I say this? Because the better you can grip the phone, the less like you are to drop it. Very, very fashionable but unique and protective case here. As you can see, this is not. It's a nice hard material that's going to protect your phone in the drop. On the sides, it's a little more rubbery, so you can apply the phone, but it's still solid. The whole case is just solid as I don't know what. You know, this is like a thick, heavier TPU. Is a nice frame going on with this case. So what we're gonna do is let me move this out the way. We're gonna place the phone into the case. I don't know why I just made a mistake and put it in backwards. Long day at work, excuse me, but look at that. That's sick right there, man. That is sick. You're getting all your proper cutouts. Power button, everything is tactile, functional. Everything looks really good. This is a really good looking case, guys. And this one is $39.99. This is the little brother to the Monarch. This is the Pathfinder from UAG, guys. You can follow me. You can follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. You can follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Shout out to UAG for sending it over to the channel. Let me just let y'all get some more of that matte black goodness. Yes, sir. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.